So in today's tech tip, I'll be answering the question, or rather explaining why Wi-Fi calling is not available on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Now, if you've tried to access Wi-Fi calling, which normally you'd go to the phone app and then go to the keypad, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. And in the settings, you will see Wi-Fi calling somewhere here. Okay. Now, in case it's missing, that's from one of two reasons. Either your region is not supported by Samsung for Wi-Fi calling, or your service provider has not enabled Wi-Fi calling for you. So you might want to check with your service provider, maybe give them a call and ask them if they can enable Wi-Fi calling for you, or just check if Wi-Fi calling is available in your region. And you can do that by checking your people's phones, like your friends or family, and check that. So if it's missing, it's either because it's region locked or because your service provider does not give that option. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.